Hello everybody, so today I will show you how to find this interpretation. So we need to use about interpretation by hyperbolic substitution. So I will put about s equals to sin t. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both side, and we have cos t dt. So this one I will put in here and here. So the s that is about this one. So 1 plus sin t square, that is about cos t square. The square root of this one, that is about cos t. Now we have the formula in here. So we need to transform sin t into this one, and this one that is about this one. So this one cancel this one, e to the power of t plus e to the power of t. We have number 2, e to the power of t. Number 2 and number 2 we cancel. And now I will put number 2 go outside. So this one that is about e to the power of 2025t. So this one multiplied by this one and this one, and you got 2026 and 2024. So the interpretation of this one, that is about 1 over 2026 e to the power of 2026t. And the second one, 2024 e to the power of 2024t. And I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. And now we need to transform t into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.